Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to open zero balance account in Dubai Islamic Bank for kids. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. First, you will need to go to the official website of Dubai Islamic Bank. When you go to the official website of Dubai Islamic Bank, then you will see this type of interface. Then in the left side you will see an option for open an account. But before opening an account, please read the terms and conditions of the bank very carefully. And this is the general guide related to opening an account in Dubai Islamic Bank. For that, click on the Open an Account option in the left side. When you click on the Open an Account option, then you will see this type of interface. Here in the left side, you will see few options. In my case, I select Savings Account here. When I select Savings Account, then in the right side, you will see the option of Apply Now. Simply click on Apply Now. When you click on Apply Now, then you will see this type of interface. Here you will need to fill your personal information in the columns like name, last name, company name, email address, mobile number, salaried or self-employed, date of birth, how much you earn per month in AED, and in the last, I am not a robot. When you fill the personal information, then simply click on submit. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thanks for watching.